The Frog That Never Gave Up. A group of frogs were traveling through the woods, and two of them fell into the deep pit. All the other frogs gathered around the pit, and when they saw how deep the pit was, they told the two frogs that they were as good as dead. The two frogs ignored the comments and tried to jump out of the pit with all their might. The other frogs kept telling them to stop, but their struggle was worthless. Finally, one of the frogs was tired and discouraged. Listened to what the other frogs were saying and gave up. He fell down deeper into the pit and died. The other frog, also tired but determined to survive, continued to jump as hard despite the excruciating pain on his leg. Once again, the crowd of frogs yelled at him to stop and give up. He jumped even harder and finally made it out. When he got out, the other frog said, "Did you not hear us?" The frog explained to them that he was dead. He thought they were encouraging him the entire time. There are plenty of lessons that we can learn from the story of the frog. First one is that we shouldn't discourage others. Two, be careful when we're walking. But I want to highlight one specific lesson of the story. The character of endurance the frog that survived has. We have heard the word endurance plenty of times, especially for those who have taken PE classes in school. But what is endurance? According to Merriam-Webster, it is the ability to withstand hardship or adversity, especially the ability to sustain the prolonged stressful effort or activity. The act or an instance of enduring or suffering simply put, endurance is the ability to face hardship or difficult problems without backing down or giving up.